Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the fastest way to actually enable and disable this option, and after that I'll show you how to get into the options, thanks to which you will be able to customize this mode. So let's start with unrolling the top bar, unroll it fully so you can open those icons, and here we have to find the proper icon, which is not here. So basically, if we will start with customization, then your device will automatically add this button right here. We've started with this section, so we have to add it manually. Let's enter this section, the pencil one. Now let's scroll down. Yeah, so I just wanted to check whether I've just missed it or not. So let's scroll down to this section and find the proper icon, which is night light. So all we have to do right now is to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to this first section. Right now we can freely go back, and as you can see, it will appear right here. So let's tap on it in order to actually apply this option, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. Maybe you're not really seeing it because of the green colors applied to the system, but trust me, we've got this yellowish shield which will filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. Of course, you can also turn it off just by tapping on it, and you can see that we've got a difference in the colors. If you want to enter the settings, you can tap on it and hold it, and you should be dragged to proper section. However, I'd like to show you the full path of how to enter the options. So let's enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to find the display, and here we have to find the night light, which is, as you can see, almost at the very bottom. So let's tap on it, and first of all we have to turn it on in order to be able to customize it, and right now you can really see the difference in the colors. So here let's start with the intensity. By going to the left with the switcher, we can make it much cooler basically, so there's no difference between using the night light and not using the night light when it is set on the left. And by going to the right, we can make it much warmer, so as you can see, it's almost orangish. We can schedule that feature, of course, and the none option means that it is manual, so you have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, so you simply pick the start and the end time, and your device will turn on the option whenever it will be between the start and the end time. Of course, right now we are not. That's why the device does not apply the shield. And we can also turn it on from sunset to sunrise, which simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrises are, and I believe it is location based, so that's how it will take the information about that. It's of course up to you. I prefer the none option, and let me basically turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.